Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I will share with you number of long-term stock projections. We will take a look at Pershing Square portfolio, and we will still monitor our long trade on S&P. Will it finally blast through 1893.50, the end of the minor trend? Will buyers pick up this theme? Very important moment on S&P, but let's not be bored, let's not waste our precious time. Let's go to banking sector first. Goldman Sachs stated complete collapse from, as expected, reversal zone to 16 area. Goldman Sachs is only halfway through. When Goldman Sachs will break 146, which I absolutely expect Goldman Sachs to do, it will head to 126 next. When 126 will be broken, Goldman Sachs will head to 100. If you know Alpha Wave Trader method, you had been shorting Goldman Sachs, and Goldman Sachs is down only half. Not even half. Fibonacci, as fundamentals have no meaning whatsoever. So let's take a look on Pershing Square portfolio and let's see what we think about the stocks, because this is not the portfolio that anyone who knows Fibonacci levels should be long. This is portfolio that anyone who has taken my course would absolutely never ever be entering long position. Here's the top holding Valiant. Valiant is heading into oblivion. Valiant is heading to zeros. Posted on social media since 2015. All the calls to buy more and more Valiant. Worst idea ever. As spelled out since 2015, reversal zone is broken, Valiant in free fall, heading to zero. Knowledge of Fibonacci levels would have kept Pershing Square out of the position with complete exit at 225. PAH, I'm not exactly sure about the full name of the stock. I only know it is one of the major holdings of Pershing Square. Also heading to zero. It looks as good as Valiant. The best holding in the portfolio is Herbalife, as Pershing Square holding short on Herbalife. Herbalife is down only half. Herbalife will take a major bullish pullback at 41, and then I expect Herbalife at 30. So that would have been very powerful if two previous stocks would have been shorted. Other holdings in the Pershing Square portfolio are Howard Hughes Corp. Howard Hughes Corp point of exit would have been in 160 area. What is a very powerful thing about Howard Hughes Corp? Currently it's at a very powerful support. But I absolutely expect this support level to be broken. I absolutely expect Howard Hughes Corp to collapse to 60. Again, not the stock you should be long. The stock you should have been shorting. This is the fourth stock from portfolio. Here's another one, Canadian Pacific. This is a very good news. Out of all the stocks I looked at in the portfolio, Canadian Pacific is picking up this theme. Very powerful area to the upside, 126. 126 is broken. Canadian Pacific is heading to 150. That's a very good bullish news. And here we are. APD, Air Products and Chemicals. Also would have been very lovely stock to short. Currently, the good news, APD reached reversal zone. Currently, APD in bullish correction. But the stocks you witnessed and the stocks I reviewed, showing very clearly everything preset in price far in advance. And if you're paying attention to fundamentals, nothing good will ever happen. It doesn't matter if it's Goldman Sachs, it doesn't matter if it's Valiant. It doesn't matter if it's short-term S&P mini. Remember what happened on Valiant, where Valiant and PAH started its collapse from reversal zone, where S&P is crashing from, is exact same thing where S&P is on yearly. And it's just a matter of this very important support level to be broken to the downside. And when it will be, 1600 is next. And when 1600 is broken, S&P is heading to 1200. 1200 is broken, S&P is heading to 600. We've been stuck in this area for the last year and a half. And what happened on Valiant is a very powerful reminder that will eventually play out on S&P. Reminding you, knowledge is power. Fundamentals are worthless, as everything preset in price, far in advance. No one should be long Valiant. Shorting Valiant from reversal zone was a good idea. Entering position, not.